Hi everyone, I'm Esther Duval, Marketing Director at AMA. Welcome to today's Tech Talk. Hi Josh, happy to have you here today at AMA's Tech Talk. Perhaps you can introduce yourself.
Yeah, thanks, Esther. So I'm Josh Evarts. I'm the Key Account Manager for AMA in the Americas. So I cover both North and South America.
Okay, so today we are going to talk about assisted reality, what it is, what it's not, where the future is heading to. So perhaps we can give a short definition about what is assisted reality.
Yeah, certainly. So assisted reality is a see what I see technology with some additional capabilities. What I typically see and find is that assisted reality platforms provide an interactive space that doesn't alter the end user's experience in their environment. They can bring in some sort of digital forms of key information that can help them while they're on the job.
Such as?
Yep. So there's basically an annotation feature that they can, a remote expert in a lot of cases can take a picture of their setting, that deskless worker, capture that image and make certain annotations, add text, and really help them hone in on solving real world business problems.
Okay. And compared to other technologies, because I've heard about virtual reality, augmented reality, mixed reality. So how does it fit in?
Yeah, and there's a wide spectrum of similar technologies. I think where assisted reality starts is it's available today, right? It's solving actual business problems. But when we talk about kind of the next level of augmented reality on the spectrum, it's more of a very single setting in which, certain use cases such as training, for an example, it's overlaying more information than assisted reality. So an example could be a technician that's operating or assembling a car. It can overlay certain graphics. It doesn't just take the picture and make annotations. It's actually overlaying additional images, kind of altering the live natural state of the
real world.
Real world.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
And then typically within a virtual reality setting, it's a consumer market, right? So today what we're seeing is a lot of video game developers. There's thousands of video games available, but the best example I can provide is like the Oculus headset, right? Where a consumer can wear a complete face covering in this sense, and they're going into a completely new virtual reality state, right? So it's not necessarily a real world experience.
Yeah.
That's not solving any business problems.
Okay. Not today, at least.
Not today, at least.
Okay.
There's still time.
And can you give some concrete examples of how assisted reality is being used today?
Certainly. So assisted reality, because it can basically capture a deskless worker, a field worker's point of view, there's so many applications. We see it in industry with maintenance technicians or field service representatives going out to address an issue. So in an industry, if they're producing or manufacturing a product or a good, and a key component of producing that product, right, if it goes down, a technician can put in a lot of cases, a wearable device, a headset on, so they're hands-free, and do their work with a remote expert communicating with them while on the job.
So you really need smart glasses, or is it possible with a smartphone as well?
It's very much possible with a smartphone or even a tablet. So in a lot of applications in like a medical setting, we have kind of the remote proctoring. I think we might talk about that in a separate show, but that goes very in depth. But basically in medical applications, you can bring in people through a tablet, right? They can view things with multiple camera sources and different types of cameras.
So there are a lot of verticals that can benefit from that solution.
So many. The use cases can be endless, but typically what we're seeing is industry, healthcare, and a lot of auditing firms.
Okay, great. Well, thank you. It was really informative.
Well, thank you for having me. It was great conversation. Look forward to joining many more.
You're welcome, always.
Thanks.